Welcome everyone. I am G. Keerthana, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering from JJ College of Engineering and Technology, Trichy. I am going to present Introduction Lecture on the subject GE 3151, Problem Solving and Python Programming. Before going to learn about the subject, first we need to know some basic concept about the subject. Here the outline are problem solving techniques, Python programming and Python basic concept such as value, data type, keyword, identifier and operator. What is meant by problem solving? The process of identifying, analyzing and resolving a problem in a systematic and effective way. There are 4 techniques in Python solving. They are algorithm, flowchart, pseudocode and program. Algorithm is a set of instructions that is used to solve a specific problem. Flowchart is a graphical representation of an algorithm. Pseudocode is a high-level representation of an algorithm that uses a structured format. It often used as an intermediate step between the algorithm and the actual code. Program. It is a sequence of code written in any programming language such as Python, C, Java, etc. Rules for writing algorithm, flowchart and pseudocode. Algorithm. Define the problem, specify the input and output, use a step-by-step approach. Flowchart. Use standard symbols. Start and end with terminal symbol. Use arrows to connect the symbol. Use decision symbol to represent conditional statement. Here there are some basic flowchart symbols such as flowline, terminal, input, output, processing, decision, connector, sub-function. Pseudocode use a structured format such as indentation and keyword. Avoid ambiguity. Use keyword. Focus on the logic. Problem. To find an area of rectangle, first we need to know the formula of rectangle. Area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. Suppose length equal to 20, breadth equal to 10, mean 20 into 10. Area will be 200. In the same way, we need to write an algorithm for the problem in step-by-step manner. Algorithm. Step 1. Length and breadth as an input value. Step 2. Calculate the area by multiplying the length and breadth. Step 3. Area as an output value. The next technique is pseudocode. It uses a structured format. Input, length and breadth. Calculate area equal to length into breadth. Output, area. Here, input, calculate, output are capitalized and used in the structured manner. The next technique is flowchart. Here, we use a standard symbol only. Terminal symbol is used to start and stop the program logic. Input, output symbol is used to represent the information entering and or leaving. Here, entering information is length and breadth. and leaving information is area. Process symbol is used to represent logical or arithmetic calculation. Here, area is calculated by multiplying length and breadth. The next topic is Python programming. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum in late 1980s and the first version released on 1991 as Python 0.9.0. Python is an open source software and the latest version of Python 3.13.5 which can be downloaded in the link www.python.org. Python widely used in various applications such as web development, data analysis, machine learning, etc. It is popular because it is easy to use, large standard libraries and cross-platform. Python modes. The primary mode for running Python code are interactive mode and script mode. Interactive mode. This mode allows direct interaction with Python interpreter, typically through command line shell or ideally integrated development environment. It gets instant feedback on your code, making it ideal for testing and debugging. Using interactive mode, open a terminal or command prompt. Type Python and press enter to start the Python interpreter 3. Write Python code and press enter to exit the code. See the example: a equal to 2, b equal to 3 as an input value. Sum a and b, then store in C. Print C. Output will be displayed as 5. Script mode. In this mode, Python code is written and saved in a file with .py extension. The entire script is executed by Python interpreter using script mode. Make a file, use a text editor. Here I use Notepad. After writing the code, save the file using .py extension. Now open the command prompt and command directory to the one where your file is stored and run the code. You will see the output on your command prompt. Here addition code is written in the Notepad and saved as add.py, then executed in the Python interpreter using command directory. Let's move on to the basic concept of Python. Value and data type. Data type is a classification of data based on its format, size and set of value it can hold. Python has several built-in data types. They are numeric, dictionary, boolean, set and sequence type. Numeric further classified into integer, float and complex. Integer. Integer is used to hold the whole number either positive, negative or 0 without a functional part. Example 1, 2, 3, etc. Float point. Float point is used to hold the number with a fraction part represented in decimal. Example 3.4, 0.5, etc. Complex number. Number with a real and imaginary part. Example 3 plus 4j. 3 is real part, 4j is imaginary part. Sequence. Sequence type further classified into list, string and tuple. String is used to whole sequence of characters such as word, sentence or a paragraph. String can be enclosed in single quotes, double quotes. Example, hello. List is used to hold ordered collection of value that can be any data type including string, integer, float and other list. Example, open square bracket 1, 2, 3, close the square bracket. Tuple. Tuple is used to hold ordered immutable collection of value that can be of any data type. Example, open parenthesis 1, 2, 3, close the parenthesis. Dictionary. Dictionary used to hold unordered collection of key value pair when each key is unique and mapped to a specific value. Example, open flower parenthesis, name colon John, close flower parenthesis. Here name is a key, John is a value. Set. Set is used to hold unordered collection of unique value often used for membership, testing and mathematical operation. Example, open flower parenthesis 1, 2, 3, close flower parenthesis. Boolean. Boolean is used to hold logical value that can be either true or false. Value. Value is an instant of specific data type. Type of function is used to determine the data type. Example, x equal to 5, print type of x. 5 is an integer data type. Hence, the output will display under the class int. X equal to 1, ram, 3. Print type of x. Here, x is a list data type. Hence, the output will display under the class list. Keyword. Keyword are reserved words that have a special meaning and cannot be used as a variable name, function name or identifier. There are 35 keywords in Python. They are listed as and, break, if, else, etc. While using a control structure, if, else, elif, for, while, break, continue are used as a keyword. While using the function, def, class are used as a keyword. While handling the exception, try, except, finally are the keywords used. While importing a module, import, from, keywords are used. Rules for naming keyword. Keywords are case sensitive. You cannot use the Python keyword as variable name, function name or identifier. Identifier. Identifier is a name given to the variable, function, class or other objects. Rules for naming identifier. Start with letter or underscore followed by letter, digits or underscore. Case sensitive, cannot be used as a keyword. Example for valid identifiers: my underscore variable underscore private underscore variable, my class function underscore name. Invalid identifiers: 1, 2, 3 variables, my hyphen variable, if. Operator. Python operators are special symbols used to perform various operations on variables and values. Types of operations. Operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations on number. Arithmetic operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, integer division, modulo, exponential. Comparison. Comparison operators are used to compare two or more values, comparison operators are equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Logical operator are used to check logically combined conditional statement in Python. They are and or not. Assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign a value to the variable in Python. They are assignment, addition assignment, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, division assignment, integer division assignment, modulo assignment, exponential assignment. Bitwise operator. Bitwise operators is used to perform binary operation in the number. They are bitwise and bitwise or, bitwise XOR, bitwise NOT, left shift, right shift. Example, x equal to 5, y equal to 3. Print x plus y. 5 plus 3, output will be 8. Print x greater than y. 5 is greater than 3. The output will be true. Print x greater than y and x equal to 5. 5 greater than 3 and 5 equal to 5. So the both conditions are true, hence the output will display as true. X plus equal to true. 5 plus 2, 7. The output will display as 7. At last, thank you to everybody. If any enquiry or feedback, mail to keerthana@jj.ac.in.